and arts. Today I'm going to show you how to make a wooden tray. I have used wooden pieces and wall stickers for this project. Before getting into the tutorial, all those new viewers, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more content on home decor and few other tips and tricks. So let's get started.
First, I'm using this Mickey and Minnie Mouse signboard. It's just an indoor hanging piece made of plywood. So I'm going to reuse it as a base for our tray. I'm also going to take 2 peel-off wall stickers or wall tile stickers. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is to remove any label or string from our signboard. I'm going to take the tiles and apply them to our board. Just make sure they are placed at the center and then just peel and apply it to the board, making sure there are no air bubbles. Now, I am ready to add our paint. I'll be using some black and white acrylic paint. I'm going to blend them together until I get the grey I'm happy with. Once I have the chosen shade, I'm going to apply it all over the board and then set it aside to completely dry. While that dries, I am going to work on the frame. So I have this wooden tray which I had bought a while back, and I am going to detach those pieces and take the wooden pieces for our frame. I am going to lay the frame out with the short pieces in between the 2 longer pieces. Now sand those pieces to make it smooth. I am going to use this wood glue to adhere these together. You will need to apply the wood glue onto each ends of the small pieces and then keep them to dry. Once the glue has taken hold, I am going to hammer these small nails onto every corner of the frame. Once all the nails are in and the frame is secure, let's move on to staining. I am using wood stain in the color red mahogany here. I will be sharing the link in the description box below. With a small piece of cloth, just start applying the stain all over the frame and let it dry. Now that our painted tiles are dry, I'm going to sand it down to get that distressed look. Once we are done distressing, I am going to apply a coat of Mod Podge to seal everything in and then let this dry completely. For the handle, I have these small wooden blocks which I am going to stain and stick it onto the smaller side of the frame with some wood glue. Once everything is dry, let's adhere to the bottom of the tray. I'm going to put the frame upside down and put the tile piece right on top. I'm using those small nails again all around the edges to secure the pieces together. Now sand the frame to distress it a little bit. And here is the completed tray, which can be used as a serving tray or even a vanity tray.
Hope you all like the tutorial. Stay tuned for more DIYs. I will see you next week with a new video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.
Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.